Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aslam Coding. So today I will tell you how to make glue light application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is the demo of the glue light that we'll create using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see the demo and see how beautiful it's just changing the colors and just rotating on the screen. So let's first see it how it's see the demo, and after that we'll start coding this. And for that, please subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding and share to your friends. So let us start making the folder. So first of all, we'll create a new folder, and that will be glue light. And after that, we will open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. So let us open it first. Yeah, so we have opened our Visual Studio Code, and here I will make index.html file that is for our HTML, and we'll code our HTML. So we'll take the boiler code, and in the title we'll make glue light. Just we'll take the title glue light by Aslam Coding. So let us remove this document and write glue light by Aslam Coding. After that, we will copy this title in our heading, that is h1 tag, the same, that is glue light by Aslam Coding. So this will be our heading on the top of the screen, and we will create a circle, that is div.circle. The class will be circle, and then we will link our CSS file. So using the link CSS, we have the style.css file, and after that we have made the style.css file. And now what we will do is that we will start writing the CSS for our code. Before that, let us split the screen in the two parts, and first part our code will be there, in the second we can see our output simultaneously. So this is our HTML file, it is completed. Now let's go for the style.css, and here we are just making our background color of the body black. You can write background color black, the margin 0 and the padding 0. So this will make our body black, and after that we will decorate the h1. We will get the text align center, and we'll make the background color, we'll make the color white so that it will be visible on the screen in the black background. So this is all for our heading. In the white color in the center align it is. After that, we will take the circle class and will give some width and height for our circle. It will be a very beautiful app project of HTML CSS JavaScript. So we have given the width and height to 300 pixel, and after that we will give the margin auto, and before that we'll apply some border also, border in like border left, right, top, bottom, all the four in the four different colors, so that it will be looking quite beautiful. So we made the border top 20 pixel dotted, and we'll give the color that is black. In the same way, we'll give the border, after border top we will give the border bottom, the same thing, like 20 pixel dotted. But here what we'll do, friends, is that we will change the color. Here we have given the red color, then after that we will use the border left, the same 20 pixel dotted, and here red. After that we'll give the green color, and finally border bottom, bottom right, that will be 20 pixel dotted, we can give the blue. So you can see this is, the black is not visible, so it is better to change it. And for that we applied the margin auto, so our box is in the center, and the margin top 15%, it will be some 15% down. Yeah, we're going to top as a yellow color. So this is our square. Now for making the circle, we will have to give the border radius to 50%. So before that, let us make the animation. So animation name is circle, CIR, and the duration, that is for the 2 seconds we'll run this animation, and the ease in we have given the function and the number of times. So infinite time this animation will run, and after that we'll remove all the the text. Now we will make the keyframes CIR, that is the identifier circle, and here we will give like 0%, 50% and 100%, and we will keep some property like here transform scale. Initially it is 0.2, so you can see that from 0 to 2 it is going to 1 completely, and after that we'll give rotate 180 degree. So it will even along with the scaling it is rotating also, you can see it is rotating as well as scaling up to 180 degree. So this is our circle. After that we will give some change in the border, like we'll change the color of the border. So let us give that also. So friends, we need to give that also. Till then friends, if you find this web project useful, please do subscribe to our channel Aslam Coding and share with your friends who are interested in coding. Please support our channel so that we can make amazing web projects for you. And after that 20 to 30 web projects we will create the React.js project also. So uh, here I am going to make another div inside this square box. Here we have taken the small in circle and we'll give the width and height to 150 pixel, and we'll change some border color. So you can see friends, now it is a bigger box, and inside this a small box is there. So I think it would be better if we give 150 pixel of the width, and this is the animation. You can see the same circle. After that we'll put the again in circle, that is for the small circle. Now you can see we have given minus 180 degree of rotation. So what is happening is that the bigger box is rotating anti-clockwise and the smaller box is rotating the clockwise. So this is what now we have coded. After that, what is that, we will give the border like border top, bottom, left and right, and we will change the color value. So first of all in the 0% we'll giving like 20 pixel. After that in some like 50% we will increase the border to like 30 pixel, and we have given the color like first border top red, then border bottom green, border left blue and border right orange color. So this is for the 0%. Let us copy it and just make for the 50% also. Here instead of red let's take white color, and here instead of green let's take it violet. So, yeah, we have to apply some different colors also to the animation so that it look quite attractive and beautiful. So you can see the color is white and little bit violet, then red and finally gray. So you can't see any change, so we need to make here instead of 0% we need to make 50%, then only you can see the change. So we are just increasing the border to 30 pixel, and then what you have to do is that 50%. Yeah, now you can see friends, even it is changing. Yeah, so we have even the 0 degree. So first initially it is 180 degree and then it is going to 0 degree, but there's a problem like in 0% also 0.2 and in 50% also 0.2. So we need to change this scale also, and here in the hunt, yeah, now you can see the scale is 1, so it's looking quite amazing. First it's increasing then decreasing, increase decrease, increase decrease. So let's code for this 100% also, and there it is 0.2 rotating to, finally we made it to 360 degree. We just copy and pasted it. And now for the smaller box also we need to code, just we'll copy and paste it from the top. Yeah, from 0 to 100% we'll just copy all these codes and just put it in the smaller box. And at the end we will, what we will do is that we will change this square to circle. Okay, so first of all we'll make this in circle, yeah, in circle and 2 seconds animation. So you can see it's quite amazing, the keyframes are there. But I think it would be better if we made both box we give the same animation like circle CIR animation, instead of writing the codes again and again. It would be better. So it's yeah, we need to make this also, like initially 0% it is 20 pixel border, 30 pixel, and 100% it will be 40 pixel. So now it is quite amazing. And I think it, and we need to give the border radius 50% so that it becomes circle. You can see the smaller box is already in the circle. Now we need to copy this for the bigger circle also, and here we will make this border radius 50%. So now this is what I have told you and I have shown you in the demo. As you can see, now the circles are just increasing and decreasing, and it's giving a very beautiful look. Yeah, let's remove this extra code. Yeah, let's see this great. Let us first remove this in circle, or just made it to margin of 10%, and this also 10%, so that it will be a little bit up. Yeah, now you can see this is what we have designed, friends. This is what we have designed. So this was our glue light by Aslam Coding. You can see how amazing it's looking. So friends, please do subscribe to my channel Aslam Coding and like it, and please comment how you find it. Please comment your ideas, your views about the web projects, and what kind of projects you want more in the future. Please do comment so that I will be making videos on that web projects also. And please do subscribe to my channel. Let's meet once again in the next amazing project. Thank you. Have a nice day.